Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Airbnb Experiences for passive income, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what Airbnb Experiences are. These are activities hosted by locals that travelers can book directly through the Airbnb platform. Next, determine what kind of experience you can offer. Consider your skills, hobbies, or unique aspects of your local culture. Research existing experiences in your area to identify gaps or opportunities. Make a list of activities that stand out to you. Once you have an idea, create a detailed plan for your experience. Outline the specific activities involved, duration, and any materials needed. Define your target audience and consider what would attract them. Focus on what makes your experience unique compared to others. Next, create an account on Airbnb if you don't already have one. Navigate to the Become a Host section. Select Host an Experience to begin the registration process. Fill in all required details about your experience. Provide a catchy title and a captivating description. Use high-quality images to showcase your experience visually. Set a competitive price that reflects the value of your offering. Consider the duration and the number of participants for your experience. Prepare for a rigorous approval process. Airbnb reviews all submissions to ensure quality and safety. Once approved, promote your experience through social media and local networks. Encourage friends and family to book and provide feedback. Respond promptly to inquiries and booking requests. Make adjustments to your experience based on feedback and reviews. Monitor your bookings and manage your calendar effectively. Set clear communication guidelines with your guests before the experience. Plan for cancellations or changes to ensure a smooth process. Consider offering discounts for repeat guests or group bookings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.